Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also, prepare 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your waffle iron is preheated and ready to go. Now, let's craft the perfect waffle batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for light and fluffy waffles. It's time to cook our golden waffles. Lightly grease your preheated waffle iron with cooking spray or a little butter. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the hot iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the steam stops. Your waffles should be beautifully golden brown and easily lift from the iron when done. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade waffles. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include rich maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. For an extra sweet treat, consider adding chocolate chips or a dusting of powdered sugar. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored and easily reheated in a toaster for a perfectly crisp texture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.